If you are moving to Florida or Georgia and you're scrolling houses at night, you have probably asked this question to yourself. How much house can we afford without being house poor? Because the last thing you want is to move into a great house and quietly hate the payment. Here's the problem. A lender can approve you for a number that looks just fine on paper, and it still feels terrible in real life. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to pick your comfort payment first, before you tour homes. My name is Emmett Dempsey. I'm a mortgage broker and owner of Treasure Coast Mortgage here in Port St. Lucie, Florida. And I've been helping families with their home loan needs for over 17 years, and I love helping families learn more about the process. If you want a free worksheet that walks you through this step by step, comment the word payment and I'll send it to you. No pressure, just clarity. All right, quick question. After your housing payment is paid, how much room do you want left over each month for life? You know, things like saving, kid stuff, travel, eating out, giving, emergencies, or just breathing. Because house poor is simple. The house gets paid first and everything else gets squeezed. Most people don't become house poor because they are irresponsible. They become house poor because they shop for the house first and figure out the payment later. So here's the 3-step method that I use. Step 1, pick your comfort payment. Step 2, build the all-in payment. And step 3, account for moving overlap. So let's start with step 1. Step 1 is your comfort payment. Start with what you pay right now. If you're renting, look at your rent and ask, on a scale of 1 to 10, how does this payment feel? If it feels like a 6 or 7, you probably have a little bit of room. If it already feels like an 8 or 9, you're not trying to upgrade into stress. So here's another question. What would change for you if you knew your comfort number before you fell in love with a house? Because once you have a comfort payment, house hunting gets a lot easier. You stop guessing. You stop getting talked into a payment that technically works, but personally hurts. Now step 2. Step 2 is the one that tricks almost everybody. You need the all-in payment, not just principal and interest. All-in means principal, interest, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and HOA if there is one. And this matters a lot, guys, when you're moving to Florida, because insurance can swing the payment pretty big. And in parts of Georgia, taxes and HOA can change in math really fast. So here's the question I want you asking before every showing. If the payment came in $300 to $500 higher than you expected because of taxes and insurance, would you still want the house? Because list price does not pay your bills, guys. The monthly payment does. And if you shop off list price alone, you could end up in the wrong lane from day one. All right, now step 3. Step 3 is the moving reality nobody plans for, called overlap. Sometimes you have a month or two where you are paying rent in one place and a new mortgage on your new place. Or you're paying storage, deposits, movers, new utilities, and everything else that adds up all at once. So here's a real question. What happens to your stress level if you stretch to the max payment and then moving costs hit you at the same time? That's why comfort payment comes first. It creates margin for real life, especially during a move. Now, let me talk to my fellow veterans out there for a second. If you're using a VA loan like I've got, it can be an amazing benefit. And I know because I have one myself. You may be able to buy one with little to no down payment, and there's no monthly mortgage insurance like some other options. And that can make the same home feel more comfortable month to month, but it still does not mean you should push to the edge just because you can. So ask yourself this, do you want the most house the bank will approve, or do you want the payment you can enjoy living with? There's a big difference. So here's the takeaway. Pick your comfort payment first. Build your all-in payment second, and plan for overlap third. Go ahead and comment the word payment down below and I'll send you the worksheet. And in the comment, just add Florida, Georgia, or VA your first time. Then you'll know your lane before you tour a single home. Thanks for watching. Talk soon.